Took a day or two, but I got that hoe out. You see me? Transmission down. That's my old one. Something went out on, I think, the pump. I'm gonna rebuild it later. But for now, gonna stick in this baby here. Already been rebuilt. Ready to go. All I do is swap this off because I don't got no electric on mine. And slap this baby on. Think I might change torque converters. I think mine's better. Plus, this has cross threading in it, which is gonna aggravate the flywheel. So I'm definitely gonna change it to my torque converter. Looks new too. All right, just showing y'all what it do. It's your boy. Gotta get this beat done. K5, stay alive. See? No. He's out of there. Alright. Alright. Had to jack the engine back up because it want to sag. Got the transmission holding it up. He's good though. Work. See my toolbox. I had to put it all out today. Yeah. And I'm still doing this too. Gotta order some screws for this. So they don't sell them at no store I can go to. And then I can put my intake back on. Hopefully this thing will run like a scarlet dog. You feel me? Scalded dog. Alright, we out. It's me. That's you. What it do? Alright, I'm out.